English grammars. Much versus many. Much. Many. Meaning. The word much is used to refer to large quantities of things that are uncountable in nature. The word many is used to represent large quantities of things that are countable in nature. Usage. It is used as an adjective, an adverb, a noun, or a determiner and a pronoun. It can be used as an adjective as well as a determiner or pronoun. Example. How much time do you have? How much sugar do you need? I don't need much sugar. There are many books in the library. How many students are there? There aren't many students. Examples of much and many. The following examples will be beneficial for students in understanding the terms much and many. Many. 1. There were many people present in the stadium. Adjective. 2. Not many people know about this formula. Determiner. 3. Less people arrived at the event and we wanted many. Pronoun. Much. 1. The flood caused much destruction to the low-lying areas. Adjective. 2. It didn't rain much as predicted. Adverb. 3. Does it cost much? Noun. 4. I don't earn much money. Determiner. 5. Sandy is lazy and loiters around much of the time. Pronoun.